In one of my last videos, I showed you how to clean and fillet lionfish, which I'll link in the description box. To reiterate, there are 18 venomous spines, so as long as you avoid those, you're good. In a pan glazed with coconut oil, add in 1 large sliced sweet or red onion. Lightly salt this layer. I've been using Jay's homemade salt, which has a phenomenal flavor profile, and as always, I'll post all the details down below. Next, add in 4 garlic cloves, 1 hot pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. I'm using shadow beni or culantro, which grows better here and has a bolder essence. It's nice to layer your seasonings as you go, just use a light touch as you can add more but you can't take it back out. I like Ceylon cinnamon for its added benefits. And you could of course grind all your own spices. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. It helps to freeze it first. Then an entire can of diced tomatoes. Sprinkle just a bit of sugar on top and season this layer as well. I like to freeze my fillets in a single layer so I can cherry pick smaller pieces for dishes like this one. Lionfish is so versatile and I like it in crispy tempura rolls like I posted on my Instagram. It itself is mild and buttery and it really takes on the tangle of spices here. 1 cup of whole coconut milk rounds this all out. I make my own with mature coconut meat, blended and strained with fresh coconut water. This dish is pretty straightforward, so it's nice to use fresh, quality ingredients when you can, which pairs with this fish Jay speared just this morning for us. I often serve this with buttered flatbread, which I've done a video for as well, which will be linked below. It's a great vehicle to mop up all that lingering sauce. We love the spicy kick of this curry, but you can of course keep it mellow. I like it served simply on a bed of steamed basmati, garnished with a hit of green. I hope you guys tried and tag me on Instagram at @asquishymonster. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in my next video.